Welcome to Philadelphia Technician Training Institute, where we have a youth program on Saturday. We're looking to expand this program in order to help the individuals here in the program. These are youth that are coming from the court system. These are youth that are been troubled youth in the city, and we're changing lives by being able to help them understand what the bigger picture is for them in terms of growth opportunities as an individual, leadership, and technology. We're showing them how to use an amazing amount of tools, hand tools, electrical diagnostic tools, understanding how to use power tools, how to be organized and utilize mechanical tools that would be essential for them to be able to function out in society, workforce.
It's very important that we give the youth access to opportunity, because without access to opportunity, where would they go? The only difference between a child who unfortunately has seen themselves involved with the criminal justice system and a child who is not, is just that 9 times out of 10 of those children have had access to opportunity and also a positive environment.
The biggest things that we need in this world that we're kind of lacking in is trades in schools. The younger we can get to a lot of these kids, we're seeing some of the results ourselves, just keeping them out of problems, keeping them out of dangerous situations.
You come here, like, it's only helping yourself for like, you're not helping nobody but yourself. Like, you gonna make your mama all that proud, but it's like, we want something better for yourself. So it's like, coming here, like, I learned something that I never learned.
I feel that this program has showed me more about myself in the way of like things that I like to do, my capacities, my limits. I feel like it also shows me I learn new things, measurements, how cement works, how certain materials work, and I feel like it's just good to have that certain common knowledge and like.
Philadelphia Technician Training Institute, you can always make a contribution by hiring the kids that we have here on Saturday, giving any kind of funding, charitable contribution, because we're a nonprofit organization, and making sure that you make an impact too. You know, we're hoping to set a tone in the Philadelphia community to just make sure that we build up our city, our country, and be a wave across the country of positive energy and positive opportunity. Philadelphia Technician Training Institute. Join us.